Hello mga ka-selfie, this is Andrew Lacuachero and welcome back to my channel. We are here in Thailand and we are here in, what's the name of this?
Sanctuary of Truth.
Huh? Sanctuary of Truth. So it's not wrong, it's not false.
Yung vlogger baita, no?
Ang elefante, ang bigat. Ay, yung susok ko parang dumede.
Yeah. Okay. Masa. Okay.
Diyos ko Lord. Parang ano masakit. Hello mga ka-selfie, this is Andrew Lacuachero and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Thailand and we are here in the Sanctuary of Truth. I'm here.
A Sanctuary of Truth, guys, is a wood museum. It is located in Pattaya, Thailand, nearby the beach with other on-site activities. It is also famous as the largest wood building in Thailand that use only wood to build it as the ancient Thai carpenter style. So watch out the full video because inside the sanctuary there are wood and statue and wood of carving piece that tell the philosophy of life in this museum. It is started building 1981 and it is expected also to complete on 2050.
Hello everyone, we are with our kabayan here in Thailand. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka.
Sanctuary of Truth location is open daily at 8 AM until 8 PM. And the entrance price from here is 500 Thai baht for adults and 250 Thai baht for children. The museum has a dress code, so we are required as to dress conservatively when you visit this location. Keep your shoulder and knees covered when you visit. So if you don't have available shirt, they also offer up around shirts for rent in case you don't have it. Just avoid sleeveless and see-through or short pants when you visit the place. Shout out ko lang ang mga kasama ko. Nandito kasama ko si Tim, si JP, si Eman, Jello, Kuya Charlo, and Kuya LB para sa gala namin for this video. Medyo nasa bangin yung location. For the safety purpose, nilalagyan naman nila ng hagdanan papuntang baba para marating natin yung Wood Museum. Kasama yung madaming tourist, naglalakad tayo for around 10 minutes para marating natin yung location.
May construction tayo?
Ano to? Ocular?
Nasira naman ang aking outfit.
Ito yung paan.
For the safety of all the tourists, before we enter in the location, we need to wear the helmet to prevent from injuries or accidents for any falling objects kasi madaming manggagawa at carvers or carpenters na nagka-carve ng woods. They are using also sharp objects, so we need it. So let's start the tour, guys. Inside the sanctuary there are a wood statue and wood carvings piece that tell the philosophy of life and it's really amazing to watch. Si ate nasa lugsog. So habang nag-iikot ako at nagmamasi dito sa mga carvers, so naiwan na ako ng mga kasamahan kong 5. Nauna na sila sa akin, kanya-kanya na kaming kuha ng picture, kanya-kanyang kuha ng video. Since na-amaze ako dito sa mga ginagawa, diverse sila guys, diverse yung mga workers, mga babae, lalaki, kanya-kanyang dikdik lang, kanya-kanyang carve. At yung pagka-carve pala, nilalapatan muna nila ng lapis, ginuguhitan muna nila ng lapis as a mark para guide nila to carve the woods. Ang gagaling nila, promise. Talagang na-amaze ako. Kasi dito ko lang nakita yung mga bulk or sa dami ng carvers na gumagawa dito sa mismong museum. Hindi pa siya tapos. Ito nakikita bumubungad sa amin yung magandang carvings and of course paglabas natin dito ang ganda, promise. Itong bahay na to, ito na yung museum na wood. Again guys, Sanctuary of Truth is open daily 8 AM to 8 PM. Entrance price is 500 baht for the adults and 250 baht for children's. And always remember there's a dress code required in this location. We need to dress conservatively when we visit. Keep our shoulder and knees covered when we will visit here and avoid sleeveless and short pants. And there are lots of activities inside aside from sightseeing. There is horseback riding for 300 baht, elephant riding 500 baht, rowing boat 30 baht, horse carriage 200 baht. You can also rent a Thai costume for 400 baht. They have speedboat here since it's near from the sea. It's 700 baht. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch the full video and enjoy the tour. If you have any comments and feedback, please don't forget to comment it down. Thank you and see ya.
Perfect. So guys, dito tayo sa loob ng temple at ang daming tao. So yung mga kasama natin nandito, si Kuya LV, si JP, si Kuya Carlo, si Kaylo, asa na si Team, Tawalida, Iman Delay. So
madami tayong makikita sa loob ng museum na ito at madaming mga statues with different stories. Malamig yung loob ng museum and very Instagrammable para dun sa mga gustong magpipicture-picture. Since nagva-vlog ako at saka nagtitake ng video, ang ganda at saka ang lightings niya nakakaganda din, promise. So kung makikita nyo sa paligid natin, madaming mga tourists with groups and with tour guides. Choice nyo naman kung gusto nyo mag-solo dyan or gusto nyo kumuha ng tour guide para malaman nyo yung history ng place. So I'm with John Paul and he will be taking pictures and videos with me while I'm making my own introduction in this vlog. Palabas na kami nito ng museum at galing na kami sa loob kasi ang ganda din sa labas. Makikita mo yung iba't ibang statue dyan sa labas at siya mismo ang naging photographer ko. Shout out kay John Paul, thank you so much. And welcome to our next destination. We are here in the Nong Nok Tropical Garden together with all my friends here in Pattaya, Thailand.
Oh, my friend. Okay. One, two. Ang elefante, ang bigat. Yung susok ko parang dumide.
Yeah. Okay. Masa. Okay.
Diyos ko, Lord. Parang masakit. Okay, no problem. I come back, ha?
Nong Nok Tropical Botanical Garden is also called as the Nong Nok Pattaya Garden. It has around 500-acre botanical garden and tourist attraction in Chonburi province of Thailand. You can reach it through bus or via taxi or private land transportation. It's very accessible, guys. For your information, guys, Nong Nok Garden is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and the entrance price here is 500 baht for adults and 400 Thai baht for children. And of course, it is considered as the beautiful and the biggest botanical garden in Southeast Asia. In this place, so there will be no dress code unlike other site. Pwede kang magsuot ng kahit ano dito, wag lang yung super exposed. Maganda yung place para sa mga bata kasi garden siya and very environmental and also green. Iba't ibang klaseng halaman, may different statues ng different animals. It's like you are in the forest or you are in the Amazon. Nong Nok Garden, meron din siyang second floor para kang nasa hanging garden ng Babylon. Makikita mo sa taas yung overview ng site. And of course, makikita mo yung mga different temples, small temples dito sa garden na to. Makikita mo din doon sa unahan parang nasa Jurassic Park ka kasi madaming dinosaurs na matataas. May mga baboy ramo. Yan yung temple na makikita mo sa garden. Maganda siyang tingnan sa malayo kasi maliliit at saka parang mga figurines tingnan. Pero kung lapitan mo, hiwa-hiwalay kasi ang layo-layo pala niya. So since sobrang lawak ng lugar ng Nong Nok Garden, naiwan na yung 5 naming kasama. Ako na lang sa team ang nag-iikot kasi gusto naming makita yung mga maliliit na small temples doon na parang gold. So dahil sa layo, napagod na sila, kami na ang malalakas na nag-iikot-ikot. At ito ang nakikita namin sa location. Malalaking dinosaurs, may mga rhinos. So, salamat kay team. Siya pa rin ang naging photographer at saka videographer ko sa area na to. And that would be all for this location and this video, guys. Thank you so much. Before I will end up this video, thank you so much and mega love shout out sa mga kasama ko sa tour, si Eman, JP, Jello, Team, Kuya LB, Kuya Charlo, sa masayang tour at sa enjoyable na gala natin. Looking forward for our next tour for the next countries to visit, guys. God bless.